Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Northrop Grumman delivers 1,500th F-35 center fuselage from automated assembly line. Northrop Grumman said it had delivered the 1,500th center fuselage for the F-35 Lightning II stealth fighter from its integrated assembly line in Palmdale, California. The company described the milestone as a result of factory automation and advanced manufacturing technologies applied with speed and precision. The integrated assembly line produces one center fuselage every 30 hours and manufactures center fuselages for all three F-35 variants on a single production line. Northrop Grumman said the use of advanced manufacturing allows seamless production across the aircraft variants. The company said augmented reality and virtual reality tools used on the line reduced center fuselage assembly time by 35%. It also reported a 20% reduction in the technician learning curve. Northrop Grumman is a principal partner on the F-35 Lightning II industry team, which develops, produces and sustains three variants of the stealthy, supersonic, multirole fighter aircraft. The program supports both U.S. and international customers. The company also produces the F-35's APG-81 active electronically scanned array radar and the integrated communication, navigation and identification system. In addition, it manufactures wing skins, leads the industry team in low observable technologies and provides sustainment support for the global F-35 fleet. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.